Have you ever wondered what powers those iconic Ford vehicles, making them roar down the streets with power and reliability? Well, today, we're diving deep into the engine bays of Ford's most legendary creations. From the groundbreaking flathead V8 to the modern marvels like the 5.0 Coyote, Ford has a rich history of engineering excellence. So buckle up as we explore the top 10 most reliable Ford engines that have left an indelible mark on automotive history. Number 10, 289 Small Block V8. The 289 Small Block V8 holds a special place in automotive history as the powerhouse behind the legendary Ford Mustang. Introduced in the early 1960s, this compact yet potent engine was designed to deliver impressive performance without sacrificing efficiency. With a displacement of 4.7 liters, it became the perfect match for the Mustang when it debuted in 1964, providing the perfect balance of power and agility. What truly set the 289 apart was its versatility, serving as the foundation for several iconic iterations, including the high-performance Hippo 289 and the race-ready version found in the Shelby G350. Despite being in production for 5 years, Ford continues to offer parts and aftermarket components for this reliable and beloved engine, ensuring that its legacy lives on for generations to come. Number 9. Voodoo V8. The Voodoo V8 represents the pinnacle of Ford's performance engineering, specifically crafted for the Shelby GT350 and GT350R. What sets the Voodoo apart is its meticulous attention to detail, with Ford's SVT team drawing inspiration from the Coyote V8 architecture while pushing the boundaries of innovation. Featuring a flat plane crankshaft, high flow heads, forged pistons, and a robust exhaust system, the Voodoo V8 delivers a staggering 526 horsepower and an 8,250 RPM redline, making it one of the most advanced and reliable engines in Ford's arsenal. Its exceptional performance on the track and its reliability have earned it accolades from enthusiasts and critics alike, solidifying its status as a true engineering marvel. Number 8. EcoBoost Family. Ford's EcoBoost engine family represents a revolution in automotive engineering, offering a diverse range of powertrains tailored to modern driving needs. From the compact 1.0-liter 3-cylinder engine to the potent 3.5-liter V6, EcoBoost engines deliver impressive performance while prioritizing fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. While the first generation faced some teething issues, Ford addressed these concerns with the refined second generation, resulting in some of the most reliable engines on the market today. Whether powering a compact sedan or a full-size pickup truck, EcoBoost engines have earned a reputation for their reliability, durability, and performance, solidifying Ford's position as a leader in engine innovation. Number 7. Boss 429. The Boss 429 stands as a testament to Ford's relentless pursuit of performance excellence, conceived as a pure racing engine for NASCAR domination. Featuring semi-hemi combustion chambers and a wider design than other Ford big blocks, the Boss 429 was built to deliver unmatched power and torque. While officially rated at 375 horsepower, enthusiasts believe it could produce well over 500 horses, making it a force to be reckoned with on the track. Ford utilized this legendary engine in the iconic 1969 Mustang, as well as homologation editions of the Torino Talladega and Mercury Cyclone, cementing its status as a highly desirable and collectible engine among enthusiasts and collectors alike. Number 6. 428 Cobra Jet. The 428 Cobra Jet represents a triumph of engineering, designed to take on the best that Chevrolet, Pontiac, and Mopar had to offer in the muscle car wars of the late 1960s. With its 7.0-liter displacement and underrated power output, the Cobra Jet was a force to be reckoned with on both the street and the strip. Ford's claim of 335 horsepower belied the engine's true potential, with many enthusiasts believing it could produce upwards of 400 to 450 horses. Whether tearing up the drag strip or dominating the stock car championships, the 428 Cobra Jet left an indelible mark on automotive history, solidifying its place as one of Ford's most iconic and revered engines. Number 5. Flathead V8. The Flathead V8 deserves a closer look as it was a true game-changer in the automotive industry. Emerging in the 1930s, it marked Ford's transition into mass-produced V8 engines, setting the standard for power and performance. Initially producing 65 horsepower, it was a marvel of engineering for its time. Over its two-decade production span, power output nearly doubled, reaching 125 horsepower. What made the flathead V8 truly remarkable was its durability and tuning potential. Enthusiasts quickly discovered that with a few mechanical tweaks, they could significantly enhance its performance, making it a favorite among hot rodders and gearheads alike. Even today, the legacy of the flathead V8 lives on in the hearts of automotive enthusiasts, with vintage models finding their way into custom builds and restoration projects. Number 4. 427 Big Block V8. The 427 Big Block V8 is the stuff of legends, renowned for its immense power and durability. Designed to dominate the motorsport scene in the 1960s, it was a bored-out version of the 390FA V8, featuring a high nickel-iron alloy block, forged crankshaft, solid lifters, and a side oiling system. It was this combination of robust construction and high-performance components that propelled the iconic Ford GT40 to victory at the 1966 Le Mans, securing its place in automotive history. While it was rare to find on the streets due to its high production cost, the 427 Big Block V8 left an indelible mark on the racing world, showcasing Ford's engineering prowess and commitment to performance excellence. Number 3. Boss 302. The Boss 302 is a true testament to Ford's racing heritage, purpose-built for Trans Am competition. With its high-performance internals, including forged connecting rods, pop-up pistons, and an aggressive camshaft, it was a force to be reckoned with on the track. Its relatively modest output of 290 horsepower belied its true potential, as it proved to be a formidable contender in the fiercely competitive world of Trans Am racing. In 1970, the Boss 302 helped Ford clinch the championship title, cementing its place in motorsport history. Beyond its racing accolades, the Boss 302 also found success on the streets, offering enthusiasts a taste of track-inspired performance in a road-going package. Number 2. 5.0 EFI High Output. In the midst of the malaise era, Ford enthusiasts found solace in the 5.0 EFI High Output engine. Despite the challenging automotive landscape of the 1980s, this engine provided a glimmer of hope for performance enthusiasts. With its introduction of electronic fuel injection, EFI, the 5.0 EFI High Output, represented a significant leap forward in engine technology. Producing a respectable 225 horsepower, it breathed new life into Ford's lineup, offering a balance of power, efficiency, and reliability. Its proven technology and tuning potential made it a favorite among enthusiasts, who quickly discovered its ability to deliver impressive performance gains with aftermarket modifications. Alongside its Chevrolet counterpart, the 5.0 EFI High Output played a pivotal role in revitalizing American muscle cars, ensuring that the spirit of performance remained alive and well during a tumultuous period in automotive history. Number 1. 5.0 Coyote V8. The 5.0 Coyote V8 represents the pinnacle of modern Ford performance engineering. Introduced in the 2011 Mustang GT, it marked a departure from traditional pushrod configurations in favor of an overhead camshaft design. With features like twin independent variable camshaft timing, TiVCT, a lightweight aluminum block, and direct fuel injection, the Coyote V8 delivered a potent combination of power, efficiency, and durability. Its success in the Mustang lineup paved the way for its adoption in other Ford vehicles, including the F-150 pickup truck, where it continues to impress with its towing capacity and performance capabilities. Beyond its stock form, the Coyote V8 has become a favorite among aftermarket tuners, who have unlocked its true potential with performance upgrades and modifications. Whether tearing up the track or cruising the streets, 5.0 Coyote V8 remains a symbol of Ford's commitment to delivering uncompromising performance and driving excitement. And there you have it, folks, a journey through the heart and soul of Ford's most reliable engines. From the classics that laid the foundation to the cutting-edge power plants of today, these engines have shaped the automotive world in more ways than one. If you found this video informative, And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.
Hey automotive enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the heart of automotive excellence as we explore the best Toyota engines that have left an indelible mark on the industry. From the legendary 2JZ GTE to the nimble 3S GTE, we've got an exciting journey ahead. So buckle up and join us as we unravel the engineering marvels that power some of the most iconic rides on the road. Number 5, Toyota 2JZ GTE 3.0 L-Twin Turbo Inline 6. The 2JZ GTE is an automotive legend, powering the iconic Toyota Supra. Known for its robust construction, the inline-6 configuration provides a smooth power delivery. Enthusiasts admire its durability, making it a favorite for high-performance modifications. The twin-turbo setup contributes to its impressive power potential, making it a staple in the tuning community. Its legacy extends beyond its original production years, with many still seeking vehicles equipped with this engine for various applications, including drifting and drag racing. Number 4, Toyota 3S GTE 2.0L turbocharged inline 4. The 3S GTE is a compact powerhouse featured in models like the Celica and MR2. Despite its smaller displacement, this turbocharged inline 4 engine punches above its weight, delivering strong power output. It earned its stripes in rally racing, showcasing both reliability and performance. The 3S GTE has become a favorite for enthusiasts who appreciate a balance of power and agility in a lightweight package. Number 3, Toyota 1JZ GTE 2.0L turbocharged inline 6. Similar to the 2JZ GTE, the 1JZ GTE is renowned for its performance capabilities. It's often found in the Toyota Chaser and Mark II in Japan. Its combination of a relatively small displacement and a turbocharger results in a potent power plant. Number 2, Toyota 2GR-V 3.5L V6. Moving into the realm of modern V6 engines, the 2GR-V has powered a variety of Toyota and Lexus models. This engine is praised for its smooth performance and efficiency, striking a balance between power and fuel economy. Commonly found in vehicles like the Camry, Avalon, and Lexus RX, the 2GR-V showcases Toyota's commitment to delivering reliable and refined power plants. Its technological advancements, such as dual VVT-i, contribute to its widespread adoption in both mainstream and luxury vehicles. Number 1, Toyota 1UZ FE 4.0L V8. The 1UZ is a V8 engine that found fame in the Lexus LS400. Despite being an older design, its reputation for refinement, smooth power delivery, and reliability persists. Enthusiasts appreciate the 1UZ FAE for engine swap projects, breathing new life into a variety of platforms. The sound and character of this V8, coupled with its adaptability, make it a sought-after choice for those seeking a balance between performance and elegance. And that concludes our deep dive into the best Toyota engines. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your fellow gearheads. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting automotive content. Which Toyota engine is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for riding along with us. Until next time, drive safe and may the road ahead be full of horsepower and adventure. See you in the next video.